They say party na ho be attractive for aba. Very soon we be hu de be koso. Jimmy for na ekodi ni na ye mpo mu bio omonko ye hi omonko to ma NDC. Yes rom. Omwa ye Kenya na time na be so na o say ye nim say na because minim say very na someone me ken mo market. Okay? Very soon. One more na di Akufo-Addo atemu omo so omo ye MPP for omo buafu omo koni na they are going to start tracking back the A pluses and them said Jimmy for boys no one more be start ya back said now no more be yes omo be kasa ma party na nke dwuma ye ni omo be di social media ha no so one more your mistake wo katechi free fa Captain Jimmy why plus Kwame Esare so one more nim no more your imagine so one be ye U10 2022 ye choose executives here no more start ya ba be kasa dia ma party oh political zone page so be the keke because can we will go back and refer them what na kadi ebe atem de nko a just say ya momu nya asumdue no mo de atena se kra no mo de akasa madin ka say ya mama say ni na say MPP nye mama obi a wo say MPP ya didija ye boni ayefo yate maka tro obi ase na Akufo-Addo wa bon wo nya ade yate Maguba obi ani mo ase atro obi ase wo nya ade yo yate to keep that same energy mo amudidi Akufo-Addo ne ba omi atem 2016 until now no keep that same energy. Don't turn now to try to come and speak for the party. This time we are not playing around. 2022 is a different ball game altogether. Online first now you begin abua kwasia no this time yeah abua ne kwasia. This time no ye become asem na onyame ya adom na ukoto ukete so na udu titu so yeso se wo dwene a obegi no ho se kai ya kam yasem. That is what we are going to do. And you guys know I could do that very good too. And I know how to do that. Go and ask the Marie Boudous. Remember Kevin Taylor, Jaya Juma 1 week. Some okay, I'll be making an announcement say, and so compare Jumano. Do you guys remember? And also Obia Refi. I still remember. Me kase me ya meet to me aye. Debi a me catch them say, and yo more master tadi ya na mwe ni na ni ye ayo. Abodan for no bebre ni na mu na nso etoda odwene bibi mienu no wo se da bi aha no de abodam sem kɔ hɔ a emfa bibi amre o man no nti ese uto ni down enti this year dia ye be kam nsam obi ti se Kwame Esare say no de ono no me kura ne ti say yi ne me yam ba ati ase ne ho nsam ni na aguma ha enti ono no 2022 we na nkwaye sa Kwame plus asia Kwame plus abo ne da bi oya na ma voice note na ma kasa no. That is what we are going to do this time. That is what we are, because we have passed the days of the jam no mon come can't debi. This time you be jam ma waka but to kan you be baby piawo and the mo ayeso aye ma no enye di attempt na mbom ye kan asem utitwi a wote the American asem ye ni atemu ye bet kan asem na nyame ya adom na wodi wati e kan okete so a na wodi wati eto sumnya so a wadwene ho hu se na me kra ade na me ade na me kofa we ni na ade. That is the question most of you be asking yourself this 2022. Now election so many things went on. It was that time and I decided so okay say me page na nkasa me use no Felix Apiano page ya and no na everybody who name me musically who used to follow me ain't better say me patcho mo share page no ba no share no subscribe mo share page no mesramo mo fan to mo groups mo ni ade enu ekoye necessary say say me ankasa me channel but not so many things. And then I didn't catch through BBR to the page, so for those of you who has read, but not so many things that not Ay3ka will make him say, hey, it's a copy page. Now, where they are, yum, copy page, I did our paper, so yum, where they are, yum. Now, how would people take you and Crawford? So I was very much confused throughout the whole time. Now, bear in mind, says, that time we're soon in Anna, Minia Q. Minia Q, so in a punchline, ho. I could see be a page in a sika wom, ubia sika wom, ubia, nipa ubenya sika, ushe views are here, chaway, boy, we are bass watch, nipa fair, trying to sika kwa, but sika wom, sika wom. And I'm listening to say, Mempesa, sika ne be me way, they be a sound talk away, mene kwa kuki uko sound talk away, they be a say, Mempesa sika be the main reason why in tia, me ye day, me yes I deal with. Nembo no, I'm trying to let the truth be out. And no, a banon kakra sa one day be me die. Now, time I made down and me who say, me was who says a Oko conference ya. Oh, now and Crawford 2 and as ye be say bisao questions near the other. But now say, baby, I'm a metino. Me started to make us an obia giant penny for, and I'm talking about prominent people I saw in the dream. Me say I'll put their names out. But no money nature circle say. And I made two and I make us no money na edin no mutie me. They were all listening to me with attentive eyes and attentive selves. And I was like, Into me now pop between and I'm say, hey, and Q page your see me MBA. Yeah, now. Now sometimes when I'm here video, your friend boy be was born TV. Or don't na offer me videos educo YouTube. Now was born also na ma me hu abrantie ya wo ya friend is about to catch them so fast about to so video near the other. Now I'm see you okay, but me dey me no see you yeah. So we are now build ya. Ubetumi anya sika wo near the other. Now I'm see okay, no problem. I will give it a shot. Enti wo mu na 7th of January. Nyankopon adaroma 2021. Menya akukuduro ni say ene de me bie page. Na arehosem a woman say me bie a page no. Esan say na me use me main page na me dey enti no. Sa da na me bie na nkrofo an sheda anye den amba political zone page we so enti na me yam hihye me. E na me ka video no. E na me say dwane call me old one say me koye no one ma come announcement na nkrofo ehun say this is where the show is going to take place. And from that day, we started coming on Political Zone on this page, started advertising it, started telling people to come in and also to support. And so far, who say a true phobia started share. They be a me ba here most and my boss sister Cynthia Dimpa because first people are many be a group way now your sister Cynthia, sister Giftia Basa, sister Jane and Song, me and my sister Betty Baden because I know you're not a strong NPP activist on social media. And you who say